Okay, I'm in the front yard this time, and it's like, I don't know, 10 minutes to 7 at night.
What time is it, Mother?
It isn't, yeah, so, it's not officially here yet, but kind of looks like it. And we're at a neighbor's house, having some beers. Not me, obviously, but yep. So it's like really windy though. And then I heard on the news that in Galveston, Joe's Crab Shack, they just finished boarding it up, and he stepped away and the wave came and crashed it.
This is right that hit me in the face.
No, it didn't.
Yes, it did.
You picked it up
I'm
off
gonna
the
go on
ground.
your back, son. You have to give me a piggyback ride.
No.
Yes.
Ow. Hey, get away. I'm trying to videotape here.
Put me on the back now, kid.
I'm waiting for another big wind gust, because right now it's only a little bit. But right before I started this video, there was this really, really big wind gust. Yeah. Let's see, the clouds are kind of dark. Oh, here's the big one. Woo! It's like pushing me away. Okay, I think I'll end this one for now. And, yep. Next one I'll probably do is like maybe 12 o'clock in the morning, standing in the garage watching it.
Yeah.
Ow.
That hurt going like that.
Yeah. That's it. Later.
Oh my god, it's a beautiful sky, Mom.